to create PDFA-compliant PDF files with PDF Image Printer 12. A PDF file created with PDFA compliance is meant for long-term archiving of electronic documents and ensures that the document is visually correct. When creating a PDFA-compliant PDF file, all PDF security options are automatically ignored, and any LZW compression is replaced with a zip compression. You can only create a PDFA-compliant file if you are creating a non-searchable PDF file. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the PDF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the PDF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the PDF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to PDF Image Printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our system profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the system profile, a non-searchable PDF, because I still want to create non-searchable multi-page PDF files. I just want to create them with PDFA compliance. Remember, you can only create a PDFA compliant file if you are creating each page of the PDF as an image. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it a demo profile and will add with PDFA compliance to the description. On the Compression tab, you will see Create with this PDFA level. Drop the box and select PDFA 1B. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. If you wish to make this profile the default profile used by PDF Image Printer, select Manage Printers. Beside PDF Image Printer, drop the box for the profile and select Demo Profile as the default profile. Save your changes. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now, when you print to PDF Image Printer, your PDF files will be created with PDFA 1B compliance. Try out our PDF Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below for a free trial.